So everyone celebrated well. Good. So today I came with an as promised a new topic, new not topic. It's not a subject. New things, new informative things. सो क्या मैं क्या सोची अभी नवंबर आ गया, दिसंबर आ गया, मतलब अभी घूमने फिरने का टाइम स्टार्ट हो गया। जो भी है मतलब लास्ट फ्रॉम 2 years कोरोना कोविड लाइक ड्यू टू द सिचुएशन वाज वेरी बैड। सो फॉर लाइक गॉड ग्रेस नाउ द सिचुएशन बिट बेटर देन लास्ट 2 years। सो अभी लगभग पूरे जगह में ओपन हो गया है, मतलब हम घूमने जा सकते हैं। और बहुत सारे मतलब रेस्ट्रिक्शंस है, दैट प्रिकॉशन इज फॉर आवर सेल्फ ओनली, सो वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर सेल्फ। सो ये सबको और हैदराबाद ये साइड में रहते हो तो आपके लिए ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा मतलब शॉर्ट वीकेंड ट्रिप हो सकता है। अगर आप हिस्टोरिकल लवर हो, हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस के लवर हो, तो ये तो एक्सलेंट प्लेस है आपके लिए। So yeah, there is a beautiful place in Karnataka called Hampi। नाम आपने कभी सुने होंगे शायद। बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेस है, बहुत फेमस प्लेस है। और बेसिकली ये फेमस है हिस्टोरिकल टेम्पल्स के लिए। बहुत ही खूबसूरत टेम्पल है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेम्पल है। सो अगर आप उस टाइप मतलब वो थोड़ा पसंद करते हो हिस्टोरिकल थिंग्स और टेम्पल्स वगैरह, तो ये आपके लिए द बेस्ट प्लेस होने वाला है। और द एडवांटेज ये है कि अगर आप ये बेंगलोर हैदराबाद ये सब एरिया में रहते हो, मतलब ये सब जोन में रहते हो, तो आपके लिए तो सैटरडे संडे बेस्ट होगा ये वीकेंड, ये ट्रिप के लिए। सॉरी, अगर आप मतलब अगर जाके विजिट करके आना चाहते हो, नहीं अगर आप वहाँ पे रह के थोड़े दिन स्पेंड करके आना करना चाहते हो तो वो भी हो सकता है। आप थोड़े थोड़े करके प्लेसेस देख सकते हो। तो हमने अभी थोड़े कुछ महीने पहले वहाँ पे विजिट किए थे। एक्चुअली हम गए थे फ्रॉम हैदराबाद। सो हमारे लिए वीकेंड ट्रिप ही था। हम फ्राइडे नाइट को यहाँ से निकले, लाइक 1 night जर्नी है यहाँ से, मतलब हैदराबाद से हम्पी। सो फ्राइडे सैटरडे मॉर्निंग मतलब फुल डे, संडे फुल डे वी आर देयर, देन संडे नाइट अगेन वी बैक टू हैदराबाद। So in 2 days you can, if you want to visit, go for only visit, then in 2 days enough to visit. You can visit, but you have to be visit regular, means without taking rest whole day. But if you want to take rest and visit according to comfortably, then you can take 1-2 days more. You can take rest in the hotel room and all. You can visit normally. So that is the thing there you can. And the next thing is there, the advantage is you'll get the rented scooty to visit. If you want to visit by own, don't take any rent car or auto or something, you can rent a scooty and you can visit. But according to my experience I can say, if you are going for first time, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट कर रहे हो तो बेटर एक ऑटो ले लीजिए, क्योंकि आप पहली बात तो हमें पता नहीं होता है कौन सा प्लेस घूमना है और कहाँ कौन सा प्लेस है, तो ये सब सर्च करने में बहुत सारा टाइम चला जाता है। तो फर्स्ट टाइम इफ यू आर विजिटिंग, टेक वन ऑटो। So they will give you, you will get the auto in reasonable price, and they will cover entire Hampi, like whatever the place need to visit, they will visit you all the places on a reasonable price. That they will not take so much money, and if you can do bargain you can do also, not a problem. So like हम जब गए थे तो हम only like 2500 में 2 days टोटली हम्पी पूरा घूमे, मतलब वही ऑटो ही घुमा दिया हमको। और except Hampi there is a beautiful dam is there, so he took us to the dam as well. We visit there, then finally from dam directly he dropped at our bus stop, then he left. So even in night when he dropped us in our hotel, then we get freshed up, then for dinner also he took us to the hotel, that also included in that 2500. So it was quite good thing. In budget everything was done, and there are many places to stay. So as we go from Hyderabad, so we stayed at the Mango Tree Homestay, and it was in Kamlapur. So why we choose that place? Because from Kamlapur it will be easy to take all the routes to visit, and first thing that one. Second thing, due to COVID there are so many hotels are closed near whatever hotels are near to these temples and all in main city, those are almost mostly hotels are closed. So we are not we didn't get any big hotel, or we are not planning to stay in a big hotel. We just choose to a good hotel where you can just a bit decent hotel where you can take rest, because our motto motive was to visit all around, because we went for only 2 days. So that Mango Tree Hotel, the homestay, is a quite good homestay. Like you will feel like that is your home only. And the owner, she was very sweet. She will provide you tea, everything, and that ambience is so good. I'll show you the pics, some pics up here. You can see here. These ambience are from the homestay. It was so good. So you can choose either Kamlapur location, or you can choose from the Hospet. Hospet is the one main location where it is the main town of Hampi. You can choose, there are many hotel you can find. You can choose any hotel in Hospet as well. We can stay because Kamlapur is a village types of thing, but Hospet is like crowd area. You can choose that also for staying purpose. So there are many places in Hampi to visit, but if you are going for 2 days. For some weekend trip and short trip, and there are few like places are there which mainly we visit in Hampi. Those are like, if you like main places like you because in Hampi there you can find very very many small temples, and if you stay for 1 month and visit also, it will not finish. So but there are I'll tell you, or I'll guide you some temples which we visited and which are the main temples, so we can visit there and it will be easy for accessible and all. So first one is the Viruspa temple. So that is mainly dedicated to Lord Shiva. So that there we can you can find puja is going on. Priests are there who are doing the puja and the main thing of that is near to the Tungabhadra river, and a very beautiful place. And in the one main thing of the temple is in that inside the temple there is a one small gap is there. From that gap sunlight is coming, and whenever you can see from that sunlight, that temple starting position of temple always you can see in the reverse way. Always it will show in the reverse at whatever the situation, what time is it, till the sunlight is there, it will show. It is a beautiful temple, and beside the temple there is Hampi Bazaar. But when we go, that COVID still is COVID norms are a little bit relaxed. Still the bazaar was not there, Hampi Bazaar, so that was closed for temporary purpose. The Vijay Vittal temple. So you can see always one cat is there, beautiful cat. Always in many pictures you can see that is from the temple. You can see Hampi. You can see this picture. That is the Vijay Vittal temple. And the main thing is the temples are not like new now. Some temples are recovering, but no, puja is not going on. Only in Viruspa temple only puja is going on. Sorry for the sound. Puja is going on. Other temple puja not going. Only you can see the temple and the architecture. It is so beautiful architecture. Another one is Sasi Venkalu Ganesaya temple. So in that temple also Ganesh ji is there, the idol is there, लेकिन वहाँ पे पूजा नहीं हो रहा है, कहीं किसी भी टेम्पल में पूजा नहीं हो रहा है. And वो like idol is so big idol. Once you visit, you can see that idol, and I can guarantee you can never see that big idol of stone idol. That is also stone idol you can see there. That is and that temple architecture. The main thing is the architecture of each and every temple you have to see, and you have to, I must say, you love it. And you can visit is the Queen's Bath. So temples, people are saying like that the Queen's in the bath place was there. Right now there is no water, just that place is there, and it was a beautiful place. Obviously Queen's Bath place, from name itself you can guess it's a beautiful place, and that architecture also like it's lotus kind of things. It's a beautiful, but for the temporary purpose I guess there is no water, but you can enjoy that place. The beautiful place is that Lotus Temple. Sorry, not Lotus Temple, this is Lotus Mahal. So they are not allowing to go inside that Mahal, because as the security told us, like people are destroying the walls and are by writing the names, so they are not allowing inside. But from outside you can see every structure is like lotus. It's a beautiful place. You can see from this picture how beautiful it is. It's very beautiful. You must visit this one. So normally if you go and you get take an auto, if you hire an auto, definitely they will cover all this temple and all these places. And if you are not hiring any autos and all, you are planning to visit by yourself, then you must have to visit all these places. Another beautiful place is Elephant Stable. So there it's hard, like many of the elephants were there previously. But that place is like, if you are a photographer or you want to take photo, that is a beautiful place. You can see from this photo how beautiful it is. So you can spend here around 1 to 1 hour or 1.5 hours if you normally wants to visit and all. So definitely you can spend much time here. In Hampi, like there you will find one Hanuman temple that is on top of around 700 something step in the top of the hills. We went by a step only, so it took around, if you normally walk and go, it will be continuously walk and go, it will take around 2 to 2.5 hours, but as we went slowly and came back, so it took around 3 hours for us. So we kept this one in the second day, because that day only we have to planning to come back, so we kept this on in second day. And once we visit this, we just again we went to one water reservoir is there. So that auto, we didn't even know about the water reservoir, but that auto we reserved. He took us to the water reservoir. It was a beautiful water reservoir actually. So it's what we heard, it is recently some years back it got ये बना है. So अभी तक उतना थोड़ा बहुत इम्प्रोवाइज भी चल रहा है, तो आप वो विजिट कर सकते हो. वो एक आप ये सब सेकंड डे में रख सकते हो, क्योंकि जब आप बस से आप कहीं से आ रहे हो, ये नियर टू दैट बस स्टॉप है, तो आप वहाँ से विजिट करके डायरेक्टली यू कैन ड्रॉप एट द बस स्टॉप एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन बैक अगेन. And whenever you are planning to go to that Hanuman temple, which is on the top of the hill, on that side only, because Hampi is divided by the Tungabhadra river in two sides. One side all the temples are there, whatever I told previously, and in second part is this Hanuman temple, and there is another Durga Mata temple also there, that is also a little bit higher on top of the hills. So this second day you can cover the half of the part which is other part, like this Hanuman temple and all, and on the first day itself we can cover the main part of the Hampi, that all the temples whatever I previously told, those temples you can cover in first day itself. And there is another temple which is like underground, that is also Lord Shiva temple. So that is always, if it is raining, that will be covered with water only, because that is inside the, you have to go inside a little bit inside down. So inside that like Lord Shiva is there. That is also, that is near to, while you going to the Lotus Mahal, in a way you can find that temple. So you can visit that and you can go to the Lotus Mahal. Krishna temple as well, that Krishna temple, Swami Narasimha temple, you can see the pictures. So those are also on the way. When you start from Biruska temple, first you can go for Biruska temple. From there it will go, you can go one by one, one by one, all you can visit at one day. So I'll give you all the details, like what are the names in description box. If you want to visit, you can once have a look here. And there is that I told we stay at Mango Tree Homestay. For them, there was another hotel also, for their hotel only, Mango Tree Hotel. That is a famous hotel in Hampi. But when we went, that is also closed due to the COVID. So we didn't get a chance to have a food there. But overall, wherever we ate, that was quite good. We ate in a normal hotel only, but food is good. Like if you like the South Indian food, it's good. If you want North Indian food as well, you can get it there. So it's basically a very good place. But I can suggest, don't prefer to go in summer, because due to the sun and all, you cannot visit properly. It will be very hectic. If you want go in winter season, it will be very good. Really, you'll like enjoy the place very much. Please do visit if whenever you get time. It's a very good historical place. You can see very good Indian architecture over there, how previously our architecture was and how it is so amazing. Okay, so please do visit and do like this channel. Please do subscribe and share the channel. It will motivate me to create more things, create new video. Wherever I travel, I'll be showing you, and I'll give you all the details wherever I'm going and all. So you'll get more and more good things from here. As I told, this channel will be covered lifestyle, fashion and travel. So whenever I get something new or something important or something beneficial for you people, definitely I'll share with you. From many days I was trying to show this Hampi things, but getting delayed. So finally today I am showing you, I'm telling you. So I'll give all the place details in description box. Once do the visit, I'll give the hotel name as well where we stayed. It's really a good hotel. Okay. So bye bye for today. Please subscribe, don't forget.